How to hide likes on Tumblr. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you hide likes on Tumblr. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Google Chrome. Okay, so after you open the browser, you'll have to type for tumblr.com in your search field. So simply type it. Okay, so after you type this, you'll have to hit the enter button. Alright, so now once you logged in with your account on Tumblr, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to go to your options account. So simply you have to click on this account. And now from here, you'll have to click on your profile. So simply click on it. Okay, so from here, at the right side, you'll have to go with the option blog settings. So simply click on this blog setting. Alright, so now from the block setting, you will have to scroll down and find the option like. So from here, you can hide your likes on Tumblr. So for that, you'll have to uncheck this option. Alright, so after you done this, you'll be able to hide likes on your Tumblr blog. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.